did you say you'd kiss the ground I walked on? You should have killed me instead. I am the seagull. No. No. That's not it. I'm an actress. That's it. He's here too. He is, isn't he? Well, never mind. He never believed in the theater. He laughed at all of my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing in them too. And then came the emotional stress, the jealousy. I was always afraid for the baby. And then I became petty, depressed. My acting became emptier and emptier. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I couldn't control my body. I couldn't control my voice. You don't know what that's like to realize you are a terrible actress. God damn, I'm the fucking seagull. Don't you get that? God. What was I saying? Ah, yes. The theater. When I am up there, I feel beautiful. I'm not like that anymore. I am a real actress now. The stage intoxicates me. And now, being back here, walking around for hours on end, thinking and thinking, my heart grows stronger day after day. And now I know, Kostya. I finally understand that in our business, acting, writing, it makes no difference. It isn't about being famous. All it is the ability to keep going no matter what.